I tried searching for an update on this case. Couldn't find it anywhere. This is an extreme old, almost 10-year-old video. But the points are the same.
It's the video that has gone viral on Twitter, on Facebook, and of course on our website, WKBW.com. The most shares of any story today, and it was shot right here in Buffalo on the 190 near the Clinton Street exit. But today, we're seeing the driver's face for the very first time. Now, this is 46-year-old James Wolfley. He was in court earlier today, as mentioned, and police say he's the man who was driving the pickup truck in that viral video that eventually cut off another car and then forced that driver off the road. Now, take a look at the video right here. This is that video where you can see Wolfley in the pickup truck. He then cuts off that Navy Chevy Malibu. They swerve side to side and weave in and out.
Extreme road rage can have severe and sometimes deadly consequences. This is really crazy.
And as the video comes to a wrap and to a close right here, you can see the man get out of his pickup truck right there and appear to throw an object, which police say was a rock, at that Chevy Malibu towards the other car. Now, state police tell me this is some of the worst road rage they've ever seen. But when you're dealing with any situation like this, the best thing you can do is breathe and keep cool.